when we add a new element, array list will be faster and the complexity will be constant. And in this video I want to build on linked list. And the class will be my linked list. Here we can see all methods of linked list. Add element, remove element, clear, add all, get, add. Here we create a node with generic type and class with generic type. So we can insert in our linked list any type of data. It can be integer, string, or any other type. And we got private field int and node. Also we have a static class node. That would be a constructor for our field node. And new method add, where we initially create new node instance, and if we have no elements, our head elements would be our new node. Otherwise, we will use for loop, while loop, to get the last element and to add element at the end of this linked list. So we found the last element, last node, and created new node that goes after the last node. Also, in the same way we create get method. First we will check our int number parameter so as it will not be less than 0 and greater than the size of our linked list. Otherwise we will throw an index out of bounds exception. Here we create new node and link this node to the head of our linked list. And using for loop we will find the node of the number we included as a number as a parameter for get method. Also for remove method we will check if the parameter is not less than 0 and not greater than the size of our linked list, and if the number is 0, we will remove our head, and our head would be the next element of, or the next node of our linked list. In such way we remove node that we want to omit, and the current element will be linked to the next and next element. So we omit this removing element. And also we need to decrease the size of our linked list. And also return size. So here we created an instance of the my linked list and add a couple of elements. Here I should remove this -1 so as to get the correct node for the input parameter. And we see that everything works well. If we remove elements and get the size of the linked list, we will receive correct output. Initially we had 2 elements, but then we removed one and we have 1 element.